Investing your money is a smart move. It is for everyone who wants their money to grow. Leaving it in a regular savings account might not be enough. Inflation can eat away at its value over time. Investing helps you build wealth for your future goals. Maybe you want to buy a house, travel, or have a comfortable retirement. Investing can help you get there. Many people find the idea of investing scary. They think it is too complicated. They worry about losing their hard-earned cash. This fear is understandable, but it can hold you back. Wealthsimple is designed to take the fear out of investing. It is accessible for all Canadians. You do not need a lot of money to begin. You do not need to be an expert either. The platform is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Wealthsimple believes everyone deserves access to good financial tools. They want to empower you to take control of your financial future. This guide will help you understand Wealthsimple. By the end, you should feel more confident. Let us begin this journey together. When you decide to invest with Wealthsimple, you have choices. They offer different ways to manage your investments. One main option is a managed investing portfolio. With this option, Wealthsimple's experts handle the investment decisions for you. You answer some questions about your financial goals and risk tolerance. Based on your answers, Wealthsimple builds a diversified portfolio for you. They use low-cost exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. They also automatically rebalance your portfolio to keep it on track. The other main option is self-directed investing. With this account, you are in the driver's seat. You choose exactly what you want to invest in. You can buy and sell individual stocks, ETFs, and some cryptocurrencies. This option gives you maximum control. Regardless of which account type you choose, you will need to provide some personal information during the setup process. This is standard procedure for all financial institutions in Canada. You will need to provide your full legal name, current residential address, date of birth, and social insurance number, SIN. Wealthsimple takes the security of your personal information very seriously. Having this information ready will make the sign-up process smoother and faster. In Canada, you will hear about different types of accounts when you decide to invest. The main difference is between registered accounts and non-registered accounts. Registered accounts are special and come with specific tax advantages. These advantages are designed to encourage Canadians to save and invest. For example, some accounts let your investments grow tax-free. Others allow you to deduct your contributions from your income tax. Common registered accounts include the Tax-Free Savings Account, TFSA, Registered Retirement Savings Plan, RRSP, and the First Home Savings Account, FHSA. Non-registered accounts do not have the same special tax registration with the government. This means they do not offer the same tax advantages as registered accounts. However, they also tend to have fewer restrictions. Understanding the basic difference between registered and non-registered accounts is key. Think about your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a home, or general wealth building? Your goals will help determine which type of account is best. Wealthsimple provides clear information on all account types. This helps you make an informed decision. Let's talk more about those important registered accounts. The Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA, is very popular. Any money you earn inside a TFSA, like investment gains or interest, is completely tax-free. When you take money out of your TFSA, that withdrawal is also tax-free. This makes the TFSA incredibly flexible. Next up is the Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP. This account is designed specifically to help you save for retirement. When you put money into an RRSP, you can usually deduct that amount from your taxable income for the year. The money inside your RRSP grows tax-deferred. You only pay tax when you withdraw the money in retirement. A newer option is the First Home Savings Account, or FHSA. This account was introduced to help Canadians save for their first home. The FHSA combines some of the best features of both the TFSA and the RRSP. When you contribute to an FHSA, your contributions are tax-deductible. The money inside the FHSA can then grow tax-free. Choosing the right registered account or combination of accounts depends on your personal financial situation and goals. The first step on your Wealthsimple journey is to get the app. Available for iPhone and Android. Download from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Check your investments anytime, anywhere. Search for Wealthsimple and install. Open the app and sign up or log in. Follow the app's guide to set up your account. You're ready to start investing. Once your Wealthsimple account is set up and approved, The next step is to add money to it. This is called funding your account. Link your regular bank account to transfer money electronically. The app guides you through the steps. Linking your bank account is secure. Once linked, you can easily make deposits. Make one-time deposits or set up automatic ones. Automatic deposits help build wealth over time. Wealthsimple makes it easy to set up. Choose a frequency that fits your budget. Consistent deposits help achieve your goals. We have covered a lot of ground about getting started with investing. Investing is truly a smart and essential move for your financial well-being. Wealthsimple has made investing more accessible, less intimidating, and more affordable for everyone. You do not need to be wealthy to start. You do not need to be a financial guru. All you need is the willingness to take that first step. This platform is designed with beginners in mind. It offers clear language and easy-to-use features. It empowers you to take control. In this guide, we walk through how to download the Wealthsimple app on your phone. We discuss the important differences between registered and non-registered accounts. We took a closer look at the powerful benefits of TFSAs, RRSPs, and the new FHSA. We also explored Wealthsimple's main account options: managed investing and self-directed investing. Setting up your account involves providing some standard personal information, including your SIN. Then, funding your account is made simple by linking your bank account. We highlighted the power of making regular, automatic deposits. The most important thing is to start. You can learn and adjust as you go. Embrace the journey of investing and build the financial future you deserve. Get started with Wealthsimple and watch your money grow.